Hello, fellow food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you. We'll be seeing the first part of the fascinating world of cooking vocabulary, especially the verbs. So let's dive right in. Let's start by boil, as in boil the pasta for about 8-10 minutes until it's al dente. Next, blend, for example, blend the kiwi, sugar, and strawberry until combined. One more. Broil, like in broil the steak for 2 minutes per side. Let's see more caramelize, as in caramelize the sugar for 10 minutes. Next, combine, for example, combine the flour, sugar, and butter until crumbly. Following, chop, like in chop the onion, bell peppers, and carrots. Here are some more verbs. Cream, as in cream the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Next, cut, for example, cut the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Next one, deep fry, like in deep fry the fish until golden brown. The last verbs of the day, fry, as in fry the eggs and bacon until golden brown. Next, garnish, for example, garnish the cake with strawberries and whipped cream. Finally, deep fry, like in grind the black pepper until it becomes a powder. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned some new cooking verbs today. Don't forget to check the second part. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes.